everybody, what's up? It's your girl Raiah on fire, and happy Memorial Day, everybody! And I hope you have a great Memorial Day. So today I'm going to be doing I Stole My Mom's Makeup Challenge. And I actually did steal my mom's makeup. Shh, don't tell her. Please don't, please don't. I might get in trouble. So I have this lipstick. It's blue, very pretty color. Okay, then I have this eyeshadow. Pop it up. Then I have a gold one of that. And this one is called LA Colors. Los Angeles in the house. And then I have this off gold eyeshadow, I think. Is it blush or eyeshadow? If you have this at home, or if your mom has this at home, comment down below and tell me what it is. So, as usual, I have my glue, I have my shaving cream, I have my Tide, and I have 3 colors of like star candle holders, but I'm going to be using it for slime. And like, it's such a pretty color. Like, so red, white, and blue, USA color A. And then I have my big bowl to make the actual slime in. So let's get on to the video. Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, guys. I don't want to waste all of it, but I guess I have to. Wait. Nope, can't do that. I wish the others would come out. It's not that big of a deal. Come on. Ooh, it's called Sunshine, guys. I just was like, and I'm like, ooh, it's called Sunshine. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. I want to mix it up with my hands because though. Oh my gosh! This is such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. I just said I didn't want to use my hands, but now I was like, okay, let me take it. So guys, I wanted to experiment it. I put the rest of the of this behind the scenes though, and I put this in behind the scenes. And this one is the purple one, and I wanted to experiment it with the gold one, and this one is called grape jelly. So I'll mix it up, and then next thing you know, I'm doing it with my hands. I feel like it's not going to be like this. Is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it looks like a rose gold, guys. Comment down below if it looks like a rose gold. Oh no. I'm just like, it was like, push. I'm like, oh no. Okay. It's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna put it back in the star and we're going to go on to the next. Wait. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult. I feel like it's stringed a little bit. So now I'm going to be doing this like gold one in the slime. I'm gonna use all of it, and I hope my mom doesn't notice. Cause she doesn't use these stuff a lot. So I'm like, why don't I just use this stuff for the video? Cause I was thinking to make a slime video, But I'm like, what if I do, like, I stole my mom's makeup challenge. And I noticed that she doesn't use this makeup. So I'm like, why don't I use it? So I used it. So I'm using it right now. Oh my gosh, this one is like, it looks so brown. But look on here, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with my hands now, guys. Oh, I was like, I feel like the hair is really gonna get in this slime now. It feels like harder than the other slime. Let's just sit here and look at this for a minute. These colors are so beautiful. I wonder how the blue one is going to be like. I'm so glad I used her makeup. Oh my gosh, there's still some inside. I need to get this thing out, cause I said I wanted to use all of it, because she doesn't really use any of it. So I'm like, let me use all of the stuff. And I'm gonna use all of the lipstick too, even though I love that lipstick. I just love it. Cause blue is my favorite color. But these colors, ooh, they hoppa poppin'. Oh my gosh. I was just like turning into like a mom that's trying to be cool. Hoppa poppin'. So guys, I'm gonna put this, wow, it won't even get in. Oh my gosh, look at my hands, guys. Okay. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna have to like melt the lipstick, but I don't want to because I'll take too much of your time. So going on to the lips. You know I'm gonna go in with my hands in a minute or a second, maybe a minute. So guys, this is the blue lipstick. Behind the scenes I already cut it off. Oh, it makes great circles, but it doesn't keep the circles in it. Okay, I'm going with my, oh no. I'm like going in with my, oh no. Oh my gosh, there's a huge, gigantic chunk right there. I thought, oh my gosh, and I just lost the chunk. Guys, it's right there. You see that? There you go. Wait, let me try to get it out for you guys. Oh, guys. Do you see that? I'm gonna like crush it up and stuff, guys. Oh no. The fork doesn't really work, so I'm gonna go in with my hand. I shouldn't go in with both of them, but I did already. Oh no. I was just like mixing it, and then I saw that one piece of slime that doesn't want to be with you, but I took it. Swalala, savage life. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty, but there's still like little pieces, so I shouldn't say that as it, because there's still little pieces of lipstick that I haven't put in. That I haven't crushed. I did put it in. I didn't crush it. Oh my gosh, look at that lipstick on my hands, guys. Guys, look at that. You could see so many of pieces of lipstick. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, guys. I wanted to get the camera, but I guess I didn't. It was a total fail. I can't even make a bubble when I'm saying fail. Fail. There. Oh my gosh. My mom might notice this table. The silent treatment. Wait, guys, look. The silent treatment. Oh, I saw pieces of slime. And then, so guys, this one was the least pigmented. The eyeshadow. And as you see, it's little because while I was like doing something behind the scenes, probably someone touched it and got it all over their hands. So guys, and this one was the second most pigmented, the medium pigmented. And then guess which one's pigmented was the most pigmented in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was this one. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. And this one was the best one. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. And look at it, how it landed though. That was so beautiful. This one is the most, like, it wasn't the most beautiful. This one was the most beautiful. This one was the second most beautiful. And I'm sorry, Blue, but you were the last beautiful. So guys, this one was the most pigmented because it was with my mom's bronzer. Was so, oh my gosh, did you see it just now? So I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to end this video right here. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and remember to comment down below if you liked it. I'm gonna just play with this one since this is the one that I like while I'm doing the, like, while I'm like going out of the video. Why am I saying this stuff like for real? I'm just wasting time right now. I could have been eating. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Remember to watch my other videos, and that's in the link below. Oh sure. So I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace, peeps.